What's happening, guys? Just thought I'd do a quick video on how to clean out the gutters in the scuttle on the X308. It's pretty straightforward. I just want to make sure it's alright under there. If there's any surface rust or anything, maybe treat it and, you know, tidy it up a little bit. Now you've got a few screws along here. I think they were T20s. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. There was a screw there, didn't match the others, it was a crosshead Phillips. So I don't know if you can take the part before or lost or whatever. But yeah, there was a Phillips there. So Phillips there, take this panel off to the ABS. Take your toolkit out on the other side, same. Little Phillips there. And then pop this cover up on the wiper arm. This little cover. This cover. Anyway, and yeah, that cover, pop that off. It'll expose the 17mm nut underneath. You undo that and then very gently prise that little washer tube off. That little nipple there. And then it should be good to lift her up and see what's going on underneath. There we go. I'm not going to bother taking it all the way off because I don't need to. But yeah, I just want to address little things like that. Clean out any leaves or debris. You know, little hole there. Started to go in it, but it is what it is. 20-year-old Jaaag in the UK. Standard procedure. Yeah, so get in there, give it a clean up, take a bit of sandpaper to any little bits of rust. I'm just going to put a bit of rust converter on them, a bit of zinc primer, and then probably brush on a little bit of body colour. You know, we're not going to stop this. We're just going to slow it down for us. That's it. There's no stopping it, but you can slow it down. And these things, pretty sure, just pop out. Don't there's any screws in it. It is made by Ford. Yeah, there you go, look. Just come out. Perfect time to give that a little bit of a clean. Freshen up. You know, it's not too sad, really. Yeah, like I said, we'll get all this cleaned up. Get all that grime off the bottom of the window. A little bit of rust converter, zinc primer. Do what you can, you know. No stopping it. But you can just slow it down. Put it up on this side. Yeah, it's not too sad either. And then what you need now is your wife's favourite Hoover. You've got to nab it when she's not looking, like I did. She's in there cooking my lunch. No, you get the idea, fellas. You get the idea. Don't let her catch you using that though. If you've got your own one, you're probably best off using that. Saves the divorce. But I'll get back to you in a sec. We've got all of that cleaned out in there. Just brushed over a bit of zinc primer, sanded it, put a little bit of epoxy in it. Like I said, it's not gonna stop it. It's just slowing it down a bit. Same as over here. This is a little bit deeper than what I thought, so just filled it up with some epoxy. Primer over it, zinc primer, same as over there. But at least all that's cleared out in there now. All the vents are clear. But yeah, like I said, no stopping it. Slow it down. Better than leaving it, I guess. But once I get some colour made up, I'll take it back off and I'll chuck a bit of colour over it once it's dry properly. But weather, UK, August, going to be summertime. Not far. Yeah, let's get all that together now. All back together. One thing I will say, make sure you've got this set in the right place when you put it back on. Because, yeah, you don't want it up here or too low, because she won't clear the windshield properly. But yeah, like I said, right, I'll get a bit of colour on that at some point when the weather's a bit better and I've got some made up. But my main goal was just to make sure all the gutters are cleared out, and yeah, pick up a little bit of maintenance whilst we're at it. Like I said, it's not going to stop it, you can slow it down. A bit of epoxy, some zinc primer, some sandpaper, and pretty much all you can do really. But yeah, that's how you clean scuttle out. Pretty thing. We'll let you off, you are pretty. Next up is intake pipe. It's already ordered in the country from Mina Gallery, so as soon as that's here we'll do a little video on that.